use surgical guides in your surgeries?
Yes.
That's good. And what about your full arch cases? Do you do a full arch cases?
Yeah, I have many full arch case.
Good.
Yeah, I initial my first case 2 years before with tricep
Ah, okay.
edentulous. Yeah, but 3 years I think very new, very less experience.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. And do you usually use a bone reduction guide in your full arch surgeries, or you freehand or?
Yeah, 1 year, 1 year recently, 1 year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. All right. So basically, doctor, we are a 360 imaging. We're a surgical guide company.
Yes.
We actually offer, we can make you any guide for any case. All right.
Yes.
For tooth tissue bone supporting guide and the bone reduction guide for the
Mm.
full arch cases that we'll be talking about today.
Yes.
So I'll be showing you some pictures, the difference between our bone reduction guide and
Mm.
other competitors. And
Yes.
then I will jump into like two surgeries step by step so you can get more familiar with it. So if you have
Yes.
any questions at any time, just stop me and ask it, all right?
Yes. I'm sorry. How long
Okay.
will you? How long will you talk today?
So it will take me like 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes.
Yes. Yeah.
That's okay?
Yes. Yeah. That's
Okay,
okay.
that's
Or
good.
it
And
could be
if you
longer.
have
Yeah.
if you have any questions, just stop me and ask it, all right?
Yes. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. So as you see here, doctor, actually our guide considered the smallest bone reduction guide out in the market right now.
Yes.
As you see here, this is the old bulky guide. We don't do that anymore. Some competitors still do this. But here I have a lower bone reduction guide, an upper bone reduction guide, and a
Yes.
PMMA in the patient mouth at the same time.
Yes.
That's why it's the smallest guide out there. One of the things that we do, we seat the guide in the undercut where we make sure there is no space between the bone reduction guide and the patient buccal bone. So
Mm.
we seed it on this area exactly,
Yes.
right? When it comes to the flap size, you only
Yes.
need to do a buccal flap to seed the guide
Yeah. Sure.
itself,
Sure. Yeah.
right? So no lingual, nothing. So only a buccal flap and you seed the guide. As you see here that the guide seats on the buccal area,
Yes.
right? So you just do the flap, seed the guide here and extract the teeth.
Yes.
As you see here, it's only like, it's like a layoff to the patient buccal bone. There is no space between the guide and the patient buccal bone
Mm.
itself.
Mm.
And when it comes to visibility and irrigation, you can see so well that you can see your implant just going through the guide, hitting the bone.
Yes.
So from here, this is the implant just going through the guide, hitting the bone.
Yes.
So let's say you have a case, doctor, you want to try us with. First of all, we have 360 portal software. We download it on your computer.
Yes.
We will be able to you will be able to share with us the scans for the patient so we can start doing the case.
Yes.
And once you send us the scans, we have dentists like yourself, they take care of the treatment plan.
Yes.
So we receive the scans, one of my doctor, they treatment plan the case. Then we schedule an online review between you and the doctor who planned the case. And after you approve the treatment plan, we send you everything in one box
Sorry.
in 15 business
Sorry.
days.
Yeah. I just time some questions. So please repeat
Mm.
your information you
Yeah, yeah.
just told me. Yeah.
Yeah, so basically we have our portal software. We have our own software. We download it on your computer. You will be able to share any scans with us.
What what is the name of the software?
360 Courier. It's our own software. We call it
Uh-huh.
360 Courier software. We put it
For
on your
yeah.
computer. You can share with us any scans like the CBCT scan, the intraoral scanner, any scans you can share with us.
Yeah, similar to Google Driver, something like that.
Yeah. Similar like that, but it's better. It's HIPAA compliance. No one can check it other than you. It's like protected. Yeah, it's protected. The patient info is protected in this one.
Yeah.
Uh,
You. Sorry.
yeah.
Uh,
Mm.
let's do something like that. You present all of your information, then we go back to our question and answer. Okay. Keep talking, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's yeah.
Mm.
So yeah, once you send us the scans, we have dentist, doctor like yourself in the company. They take care of the treatment plan. So
Mm.
one of my doctor, they treatment plan the case. Then we schedule a Zoom meeting between you and the doctor who planned the case. And
Yes.
after you approve the treatment plan, we send you everything in one box in 15 business days, which is the bone reduction guide,
Own,
surgical
you mean
guide,
own
the
equipment? Yeah.
PMMA,
Yeah.
all equipment, and the pins and the screws,
Yeah.
right?
I'm sorry. Could you
Uh,
show your camera, the webcam?
oh yeah, you want me to turn my webcam on? Yeah,
Yeah,
you got it.
please. Yeah,
But
yeah.
can you give me 1 second?
Yes,
I need to join from my laptop. I'll be here twice. Just give me one
yes,
second because I don't have
yeah,
a camera on my. Just give me one
yes,
second, right?
yes. Chị cái bố đang họp con à? Bố đang họp. Con gọi cho bà nội đi nhá. Yêu con. Ừ.
Hello, doctor. How are you
Hi,
doing?
hi. Nice to meet you. Ah, you're very
Yeah,
young.
nice to meet you, son.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So I could I call you Dave?
Yeah, sure. You can call me Dave.
Dave. Yeah, yeah. My name is Thang. Thang.
Oh, thank.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Right,
it's nice
right.
to meet you, Doctor Thank.
Yeah,
Thank you
yeah.
so much.
Yes, yeah, yeah. So thank you for contact to me.
Absolutely, that's my pleasure, Doctor. It's nice to have you in our meeting.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah. So you are from America, right?
No,
Georgia.
Doctor. We're working in Egypt, or we are based in Atlanta, Georgia, in the USA. This is our
Yes,
production and everything.
yes. So I'm not I'm not very clearly about our job purpose. You mean that you are a manufacturer or you are an
Exactly.
yeah.
Our production is in the USA, based in Atlanta, Georgia. It's a lab that
Mm,
is we are owning, but the operations like the accounting, the sales, customer support, everything, the operations in Egypt, based in Egypt. This is for, like it's called outsourcing. You're outsourcing like something
yeah.
like that in order to save, like reduce the cost of operations and etc.
Yeah, 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 right. Now
But
I
actually
understand. Now I understand.
we are
Okay.
American.
Yeah, so please now let Sam keep talking, right?
Sure,
Okay,
sure. I'm
hi
sorry.
Sam. Could I call you Sam? Yeah,
Sam, the voice is not there, Sam.
yeah, yeah. Okay, nice to meet you.
Yep.
So please talk,
Yeah, yeah, you
keep
got it.
talking.
Yeah, you can call me Sam, definitely.
Yes.
You got it. So yeah. So as you see here, doctor, so once we receive everything, we send you everything in one box,
Yes,
ready for the
yes,
surgery.
yes,
Okay?
yes.
So I have a first case here. It's a mandible case. It was done
Mm.
by Dr. Daniel Spagnoli, right?
You mean that you
So
have a
as
doctor, Daniel, Doctor Z, or
Spagnoli, yeah.
your partner,
Yeah,
or
yeah, that case was done by him. It's one of
mm.
our clients.
And then you manufacture the stackable guy for him, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay,
Yes,
keep
yes.
talking, please.
Mhm.
Understand?
Okay. Yep. And so as you see here, the patient walks in.
Mm.
First thing you do, buckle
Yes,
flap.
yes,
This is the first step.
yes,
After the buckle flap,
yes.
we see the guide.
Mm.
Do you see this is the bone reduction guide? This is a second piece. We call
Yes.
it the vertical mount. As you
Ah.
see, this piece, it locks into the bone reduction guide and you seat it on top of the teeth. This to
Yes.
double verify the seating of the guide itself.
Yeah, it is a
So you
toothbrush.
can make sure,
Yeah.
exactly. So you can make sure, I'm on the right position. So
Yes.
after you verify the seating, you drop the screws in the holes here.
Right.
So as you see, the doctor is dropping the screws to hold the bone reduction guide.
Yeah.
So as you see here, the screws are fully in.
Yes.
So after the screws are fully in, we don't need this piece anymore. So you're just gonna remove it.
Yes.
So it's gonna look like that.
Yeah.
So
Stack
here,
up something.
doctor,
Mm.
yeah, the
Yeah.
doctor here extracted the teeth and reduced the bone to the bone reduction level.
Yes. Right.
All right. So as you see, doctor reducing the bone, and bone is fully reduced.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
After that, your implant placement surgical guide comes after
Yes.
with the same latches that locks into the bone reduction guide itself,
Yes.
as you see here, and you hold it with the pins.
Mm. Yeah.
Then you drop your implants.
Yeah.
All right.
Malo, yeah,
Implants are fully in here.
yeah, only four,
Yep.
yeah,
And then, do you do immediate loading, doctor, or you don't do immediate loading?
yeah,
Do you do immediate loading or no? Like you put the PMMA in the same day of surgery or no?
yeah. Most of case is immediately if the primary stability is
Uh,
more than 35.
uh-huh.
Yeah,
That's good.
yeah,
Okay, so yeah, as you see here, after placing the implants, your multi-unit abutments, the MUs,
yes,
comes after.
yes,
After the multi-unit abutments, your titanium cylinders
yeah.
comes
What? Sorry,
after that.
what is the name of the implant system here?
I'm sorry, what system what?
Implant brand
Implant?
name. Yeah,
Doctor was using, I believe, Nobel here.
Nobel.
But
Yeah.
we work with all implant systems, all
Mm.
kit. It doesn't matter.
Okay, okay.
So we work
Keep
with
talking.
them.
Yeah, thank you.
And do you see this gasket, the blue one
Yeah,
with the dots here? This dots to help you to time the angle for the multi-unit abutments.
right.
All right.
Yeah,
And then titanium cylinders comes after. They are actually we pre-trim the titanium cylinders, make it ready before we send it to you, so you don't have to do it yourself.
yes,
The titanium cylinders. After that, as you see here, the PMMA
yes.
comes
PMMA.
after.
Yes,
You put it with the latches here,
yes.
and you hold it with the pins.
Yeah,
And then after that, you just pick it up, cut the legs of the PMMA, remove
sure.
the bone reduction guide,
Yeah,
suture the patient, and then load it back in.
yeah.
Is there anything confusing, doctor, or does it look easy?
Yeah, not actually. It's not easy.
Yeah, yeah,
The
nothing
picture
is easy.
always simple than
You're
than
right.
real.
You're right. You're right, definitely.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah.
Mm.
Okay. So okay, Dr. Gordon Brandy.
Yeah, this is another case, was done by Dr. Gordon Brady.
Yes.
It's a dual arch case, upper and lower.
Wow. Do an arch.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So as you see here, the patient walks in. First
Yeah.
thing we do buckle flap.
Yeah.
After the buckle flap, you see the bone reduction guide.
Yeah.
Then you see the tooth verification,
Yeah.
and you lock it in. You hold it with the pins.
Right.
After you hold the two pieces with the pins, you verify the seating. Then we drop the screws in the hole.
Yeah.
All right. So as you see here, doctor's dropping the screws.
Yeah.
Screws are fully in here.
Mm.
After the screws are fully in, we remove this pins, we remove this piece. We don't need it anymore.
Yeah.
So it's just gonna look like that. So here you extract the teeth and reduce the bone to the bone reduction level. But
Right.
Dr. Brady, instead of doing that, he just uses this saw and he chops the whole thing
Yeah.
off.
Very fast.
Yeah.
Kind of nightmare movie or something.
Yeah, yeah, it is a
Yeah,
movie,
yeah,
a butcher movie.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
And then he pops the roots.
yeah. And
After
yeah,
that, the surgical guide comes after.
yeah, and
You hold it
implant
with the
guy.
pins,
Yeah,
and you drop your implants.
yeah,
Drop in the implants.
yeah, right.
As you see, implants are fully in.
Yes,
Then your PMMA comes after.
yeah,
Your PMMA comes after multi-unit bumps titanium cylinders. Then the PMMA comes after. You hold it with the latches.
yeah.
Then you just pick it up,
Mm.
cut the legs of the PMMA,
Yes,
use the material to fill out the holes on the PMMA as well. You know, the
right.
pink material. Used
Yeah.
it before, yeah.
Some
And
kind
then you
composite
pick,
or resin. Yeah,
yeah, yes, exactly. You fill it out here, then you pick the PMMA up, cut the legs of the
yeah,
PMMA,
yeah,
remove the bone reduction guide,
yeah,
suture the patient, and then we load it back in.
yeah. Back the yeah
Mhm. Yep.
the
And this is the lower arch. You have done the same thing to the lower arch. You just chopped it off
yeah
with
with
saw.
his saw.
Yeah.
Uh,
And then, as you see here, he chopped the thing and reduced the bone. Then the
mm,
surgical guide comes after. You hold it with the pins.
yes,
Then Doctor is dropping the implants.
Mm.
Implants are fully in.
Yes.
Then multi-unit abutments, titanium cylinders with the gasket. After
Yes.
that, your PMMA comes after. You hold
Yeah.
it with the latches and pen. Then you pick it up, cut the legs of the PMMA, remove the bone reduction guide,
Yes.
suture the patient, and load it back in.
Yes.
Yeah. So what do you think so far?
Yeah. This is the third case. Is it the last? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the last
How many
case.
cases you want to present today?
So this two, I can show you. Did you send the doctor the video, 4 minutes video or no,
No,
Dave?
I didn't send. It was
Okay,
yesterday,
yeah,
and I had the pleasure of speaking with the doctor.
we can watch it together. I have a 4 minutes video, doctor, for a case. It's only take 4 minutes. Is it fine?
Yeah.
You have 4 minutes for me? All right. So 360
Wow, look at
imaging.
your tab. How many tab you open?
Oh yeah, right. Yeah, I work hard.
Yeah, because it's same to me. Every day I
Yeah,
open 40 or 50
I
tab.
forget. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so we don't forget, I
Yeah.
forget sometimes. I want to go through them every day, look at them, make sure I didn't forget anything.
Sure, same to me.
But yes,
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
that's good to hear. That's actually my pleasure to be doing the same thing as you. Uh, this is our
Me
new
too.
website.
Me too.
Where's the video?
Yeah,
They didn't put the video on our new website yet.
yeah.
Dave?
Just a moment, Sam. I'm gonna like
Okay,
Yeah,
figure it out.
I can come back
I'm
to
gonna
your
send you the
website
link, and you
later.
can open it.
Yeah, now open your present, some more present, or we can talk, we can conversation,
Yeah.
some question.
So yeah, what questions do you have, doctor, for
Yes,
now?
I have some question.
Yeah.
Yeah, means that you come from lab, you are a kind of big lab or digital lab in
Yeah,
America,
we do
right?
have we do have a lab in Atlanta,
Ah,
Georgia.
yes.
And at that lab we make everything over there in Atlanta, Georgia, and we send it to you. So we're all over, but employee, we are all over, like some of us in Egypt, some of us in US.
Uh-huh.
But
Yeah.
yeah,
And
like I'm
yeah.
in California, Huntington Beach.
How do you have a kind of education activity?
Yeah, we always do activation activities in our if you go to the our website 360
Mm,
.com, you
could you
can
open
see
yeah, could you open the education tab?
yeah, so it's product and solution, no, it's 360 Academy.
Uh-huh.
360 Academy, okay?
Yes, yes.
And as you see here, we have in March 10th and 11th
Match.
in
Yeah.
Philadelphia with Dr. Nathan Doyle.
And in August, 3 days.
Yep.
Yeah.
And
Always
we
3 days.
yep, it's gonna be in Brazil,
Yeah, and
3 days.
also you have a CE certificate. Wonderful.
Yeah, that's 24 here and 16 here.
Yeah.
So if whenever you visit our website, you go to 360 Academy.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, nice. And
Okay, and you
so
can find
Brazil.
all.
Okay, I can check
Mhm.
later. Brazil and
Okay.
Philadelphia.
Uh-huh.
It's too late because now on 14 to 18 of March of this March I visit IDS. You know IDS? International Dental
So,
Show in Cologne.
oh, you have an international show?
Yeah, I mean I have I plan to visit IDS at the same
Mm.
time.
Same time, huh?
With
That's unfortunate.
without my plan, I could visit
Uh-huh.
your in Philadelphia because I prefer
Yeah,
to
understand.
go to visit America than Brazil or something.
Oh yeah, no, understand. So
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, this is not the only thing for Dr. Nathan Doyle. Dr. Nathan Doyle usually do one every 2 to 3 months.
Ah,
So another one will come. It's not like scheduled yet, but this is not the only two courses this year. No,
yes.
we do a lot of courses. So you might find one in May, June, August, all that stuff.
Nice.
So no, yeah, Dr. Nathan Doyle, every like 2 to 3 months, we do
Mm.
like a guided surgery with him, hands-on course
Do
or
you? Yeah,
any course.
yeah. How many attend for each?
Attendees,
Yes, how many?
attendees is we usually maximum 25,
Mm-hmm.
and it's usually everyone goes over there, so we always have the 25 shows
And
up.
yeah, and we
That's
exercise
25
on
max.
animal. Exercise on
Yeah, so
animal
we
one.
you exercise exactly. So you exercise hands-on course. You have all the stuff. You go step by step with Dr. Doyle.
Yeah, we have a full 3 day lecture.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah. And
So
what?
this one, usually this one, I guess is 2 to 3 days. This one is definitely 3 days. This one you perform on a live patient. The one
Mm,
in Brazil is
mm,
gonna be on a live patient, like
mm-hmm.
a real, a real patient.
Yeah, for me, it's not very important. Not very important about patient or not because I have too
Uh-huh.
many patient in Vietnam. But I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah.
I want to up to date or I want to see something, some
No.
technique not in not.
Yeah.
I haven't I never heard or I never learned in Vietnam. Kind of up to
No.
date or something. Yeah. Yeah, don't
No,
care
no. I
about
got you.
patients. I can, yeah,
Uh,
good. That's good. And how about the software we can use in the lecture course? In the course, what kind of 3D software? 3Shape or AutoCAD or Blue Sky Bio or um, some
what
other.
software we use? No, we
Yes.
have our own 360 software.
Oh,
It's our
really?
own
I
software.
never tried.
Yeah.
Is it
We can give you a 1 month trial if you want to try it.
wonderful? Is it kind of CAD, computer
Uh,
aid design?
yeah, so no, it's we have treatment plan and design, okay?
Mm,
But
mm.
we have treatment plan only. We have treatment plan and design, so we have
Uh-huh.
both.
And also
Yeah.
is support for CAM, computer aid manufacture? I mean
Yeah,
that
yeah.
it's gonna export to STL file.
Yeah, it supported does STL files.
Mm,
So
wonderful.
the only thing you will be able to treatment plan and design your guides. The
Mm,
only thing that you won't be able to design is the bone reduction guide that I just showed you.
sure. Yeah, that's what
But
I'm
but any
looking
other
for.
guide, yeah, but any other guide you can. But the bone reduction guide, the big one, no, you can't. But here's the thing: we can design. Do you have a 3D printer, doctor?
Yeah, resin printer.
That's perfect.
Yeah,
So having a 3D printer for the design only,
yeah.
we can design the small cases for you for
Yes,
$100,
yes.
for $100,
Mm,
and the big cases like this one I just showed you, bone
mm,
reduction guide, for $450. That's
mm.
design only, and you do the
Mm,
printing.
I was just seen one of your case. You use the metal stackable guy, right?
Mm, mm.
You use the SLS printer. It means laser selecting sintering metal printer, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
correct.
What is the name of your printer?
Do you remember the name of the printer, Dave? It keeps going off my mind, but we do have a sprint tray,
Mm.
and we have another one. I can't remember the name right now, but the other one is actually a really solid one. But the first one is sprint tray.
Yeah,
What kind
yeah,
of printer do you have, doctor?
yeah.
Do you have what kind of printer do you have?
Uh, uh, I just have the resin printer, but in Vietnam they
Resin
have
print?
the laser
Okay,
sinter
okay.
selecting, yeah, and
I got you.
milling also, but the milling is more expensive than printing,
Yeah,
you
it
know,
is way more
yeah,
expensive. Yeah,
and
that
also
is
print
true.
is multi shape, but
Mm.
milling is difficult in some area.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
yeah. And you mean
No, I got you.
the main activity is outsource and send back the stackable guy, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So
Include
we use.
yeah. Include
Uh-huh.
the design. Include designing. I just send you.
So.
Yeah.
So what we do is Let me just open like something here with you so we can go through it step by step. Let me just open a new one. So yeah, so we call the bone reduction guide
Yeah.
guide
Sometimes they
with
call it
PMMA.
is
Yeah, yeah,
master
anatomic
guide.
guide.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So the pricing for bone reduction guide with PMMA from start to finish. So if we do everything and send it boxed ready, okay? So that cost 2,500 per arch, okay?
Yes.
But bone reduction guide design only,
Yeah. You can type design only.
design
Only. Yeah.
design only. It's only $450 per arch. That's design. So what about the PMMA design? We can design the PMMA for you for another 200 and treatment plan,
Yeah.
um, treatment plan and online review.
You mean on the online discussion?
And oh yeah, online discussion with the doctor. So
Mm-mm-mm-mm.
so a case like this, if you design, you pay 450 bone reduction design, 200 PMMA design, 200 treatment plan and online review. So you pay here instead of here, yeah, you pay, oh, there's a wax up. So you can be doing the wax up. If you do the wax up, you save this money. But if you want us to do the wax up, it's only 200.
Mm.
So here you only pay 1,050 instead of 2,500 if you design.
Yeah.
So you pay this instead of this.
Yeah. So okay, if I have a case, what kind of data I have sent to you? Silicon beam,
Uh,
STL, OVD, occlusion vertical dimension, anything. Please list here. Please list what do I need to send to you.
okay, so if the patient, anyway, I will send you to your email like PDF files
Yes.
for everything needed, but I'll tell you right now
Yes.
so we can discuss.
Yes.
So if the patient is edentulous, if patient has no teeth,
Yeah.
if the patient has no teeth, we will need a dual scan. Are you familiar with the dual scan?
Sure. Sure. Yeah. I know dual scan. I'll send you two silicone beam. One with the denture inside the patient mouth. One only the denture with some
Yes,
marker. 5 or 7,
markers.
6 marker.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. So
Okay.
this is for edentulous patient.
Mm.
If the patient has teeth,
Yeah.
we just need the. Do you have an intraoral scanner, doctor?
Sure. Sure.
Yeah, great. So we need the CT scan
Yeah. And iOS.
and intraoral scanner. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And a couple pictures of the patient midline.
Yeah. Sure. Smile eye.
Yep.
Yeah.
And maybe
border.
the bite will be good. The bite will be good, but I believe the intraoral scanner should be enough for the bite, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But this is the stuff that we need if the patient is not edentulous. So edentulous dual scan, not edentulous CBCT scan, intraoral scanner, and couple of pictures for the patient midline, and a bite registration if possible. But we can get that from the intraoral scanner.
Yeah. And after that, you will design with 360 software.
Correct. So we can, after we receive your scans, we do the treatment plan,
Sure.
and after the treatment plan we discuss
Yeah.
then we discuss the case with you.
Who
One
will
of my
design,
doctors.
who will do the virtual treatment plan? Your doctor or your technician?
My doctor. No, a doctor.
Sure.
A doctor will do the treatment plan, and also the same doctor will meet with you on Zoom, like this one.
Yeah.
So we schedule an online Zoom meeting with you and the doctor to discuss it.
Mm.
And after you approve the treatment plan, we go ahead and design the guide, design the PMMA, and send you an STL file
And certainly
for you to print.
I will I should give I have to give you the implant system implant brand name
Yeah, yeah,
because
yeah, yeah. Implant name and the kit that you'll be using, all that stuff.
yeah
In the discussion you'll be discussing with my doctors, you're just gonna tell him all the stuff.
yeah
And when you do the order, if when you do the order, you'll be able to write, to check mark on which system you're using and the
mm,
kit as well.
yeah yeah
Yeah,
okay wonderful yeah wonderful yeah
awesome.
so I think I hope that we would have some more discussion like this to
Okay.
understand more because if we understand more we will have a good cooperation win-win
Yeah, yeah,
yeah
definitely. And if you have the case anytime, doctor, you wanna give us a try, a small case before the big one, let me know. We can work on like a case with you to so you can see how we do things here and the quality that we offer.
yeah and also the last note send me more education information
Okay.
yeah some yeah
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I will send you more education videos and stuff like this. Okay.
yeah it's okay so yeah
Can I say
yes
something? I
please
have already sent to you, Doctor, all the protocols for the scans required for each kind of guide, and also sent a couple of videos. One short, the one that we are going to show you, but unfortunately, like our old website, we just changed it. But I found the new video right now, and also another video containing the whole surgery from the moment of doing a little buccal flap, as Sam mentioned, to the moment of doing an immediate loading, putting the PMMA, as you have seen, like in the videos. Everything is there in the email I've sent.
and
Yeah,
you send
forward the
me by
email again
email
to the doc. Yeah.
you send
Uh,
email to me then
Yeah.
yeah,
yeah
right now I've just sent
okay
an email containing everything, videos and all the attachments, like
yeah
all the
yeah
scans required.
yeah yeah do you last question do you have any kind of lab education I mean that you did some attender to come to visit the lab and learn how to produce to manufacture the stackable guy do you have any education
Uh,
We do. We can invite you. You can visit our lab. We can make an appointment for you to go there, sit with Anna, our lab person. So she can show you how to do the manufacturing, the finishing, all this. Yeah, it's fine. We can do that.
also
Definitely. You can fly over
yeah
and
I mean the I can stay in your lab in your lab education center for 3 day 5 day or 10 day I would like to learn about your the progress all of the manufacture progress from data input into the stackable guide to use to send back to the doctor if you have
yeah.
do you have any kind of
We
education
can make one for you. We can make one for you, like a private one for you if you would like. I can
yes
go speak to the operation manager and I'll
yes
tell him like if we have an option like this, how it would be, and I can get back to you.
yeah sure
We
wonderful
can make like yeah, we can make something special for you.
yeah I would like to if I would like to combine if I plan to visit America I
Mm-hmm.
will learn
Good.
two kind of education first is from lab manufacture to manufacture activity to how to produce the stackable guy the
Yeah.
second is I could learn from your doctor to know
Yeah, yeah,
how to
exactly.
design I mean that I would like to learn from CAD to CAM
Yep.
you
Yep, you got
understand
it.
okay
Yeah, we'll do it.
give me more
Yeah,
information
yeah.
about yeah
Yeah, yeah, we'll do it. So I'll reach to the operation manager, see what we can do with you. I'll reach you out and hopefully we can see you soon in the US.
yeah okay wonderful
That'll be great.
it's take
Awesome.
yeah
Thank you, Dr. Nguyen. I
to
appreciate your
any time with
time.
me okay
uh,
thank
Yeah,
you
yeah, no, you
yeah
got it. That's
yeah
my
yeah I'm
pleasure.
happy to
You ha
talk with you
uh,
yeah, yeah.
thank you
Yeah, do you have
Dave
any
thank
more
you Sam
questions?
yeah
Thank you. You
thank
got it,
you
doctor.
yeah
Thank you.
thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much,
You have a
Doctor.
nice day.
yeah
Please reach out anytime you need me, Doctor.
yeah
Thank you so
and
much.
Yep.
pleasure to
Have a good day.
see and talk with you
Thank
All
you.
right. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
doctor. Have a nice
yeah
day.
Have a good
Bye.
day.